Hey guys, this is Angie from Ukraine.
And this is Daniel from Philippines.
And we are the international couple.
Hi guys everyone, long time no see in this kind of videos before we were vlogging much. So today we have a video. I was inspired by other girls doing the same for their boyfriends, husbands or just friends. I'm gonna show to Daniel some pictures of the things that mostly girls using, and he's supposed to guess what are those, what is for, and how to use it.
I know some for sure.
Yeah, I will start from the easy one, and then let's see. I will be surprised if he knows all of them, but I'm sure it's not. Before we start, please make sure you click the like button and subscribe. And if you want, you can share some of our videos and become a part of our YouTube family. You ready, babe?
Yes, are you?
Yes, I am so excited.
Okay.
So this is the first thing. What's this?
Oh my god. What is that? Ah, this one for finger punching.
What?
No, we have this in I don't know, but you know those some action movies like where you put
The hard one, metallic one.
yeah.
This is soft.
Yeah, because for girls.
No, this is soft, like you can squish it like this.
For washing?
No, but your idea with fingers is right.
Yeah, because it's used for fighting, no?
No.
Okay. For fingers.
Almost, but not these fingers.
For toes? What are you gonna do then?
You know when you do the pedicure?
Ah,
So when you put your toes, they all together, and when you put the paint on it, the nail polish, it will
What?
stick together. So this one will prevent. It's the toe divider.
toe divider.
Toe divider for the pedicure.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
I
it.
got it.
Haha, you got it.
The idea, you know?
You did it. Okay, 0 points. Honestly, I've been thinking that he will get it because, I mean, this is so popular.
So popular for people who are using it. I don't.
This one.
For hair.
What?
For
Hair clip?
No, you have it. Right?
What's that for?
For curling.
Like how?
You know that hair blower, dryer? This is one of that thing that you
And then what it does? How it
make
curls?
curl.
How it curls?
It's rotating.
It's not.
It's not rotating?
No.
So how it's
Okay, you're right. It's for hair. This is the diffuser. But how to use it?
I don't know.
So it's for girls who has actually naturally curly hair to make the curls more
Curlier.
volume. No, like not kind of broken curls, but like nice wavy, nice curvy curls. Anyway,
So
so
for
how to use it?
Rapunzel?
This is the diffuser, yeah? Then you just take your hair and hold it. So the hair there is all together, and then it just dries. Yeah, it's
Hard
like
to
that.
be a lady.
So I'm not sure if we should give Daniel 1 point or not.
I did, right?
Because he said it's for hair, but he doesn't know how to use it.
Well,
But he knows what it is, yeah? Okay, okay, we'll give you 1 point.
okay. Yes!
Next one.
It's bra.
How,
It's a type of
how
bra.
to use it? There's no stripes.
What you for swimming, right? No? For dress to cover the beautiful stuff.
Oh, why? Why you need this? Why you can't wear the normal bra?
Because it will show the thing.
The what?
The thing.
The stripe?
Not stripe. The
My normal bra is not showing anything.
It's for eyes. Spider-Man.
So what is this?
Da-na-na-na-na.
Is this bra or it's for eyes? What is this? Your final answer.
For ladies bra, for men, this is for Spider-Man.
Okay, yeah, this is type of bra. How to wear it? It's silicone, so it will stick to your body. Why
Yeah.
do you need it? If you have dress with an open back, so you don't want any stripes to be shown.
Yeah, I know.
Or your dress is open here, so you don't want any stripes to show.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
what I said. To cover the good stuff.
No, you didn't say that.
I said
But you said it.
replay.
You said you get it right. This is for girls. It's
So I got
bra.
2 out of 3
Okay,
now.
2 out of 3. Let's move it to the next. What are these?
This is for Chinese food, Japanese chopstick.
No.
It is.
No. Why are they here so sharp?
Ah, this is for color. No? Not for color? There's a...
Take out your eye?
No. This is for coloring. There's a like a pencil, right?
No, it's just a wooden stick. It's sharp from this side.
Ah, to make a
No.
hair tie.
No. He's trying hard, but
I don't know what this for.
okay. So this one is used for manicure or pedicure to remove the cuticle, this part.
The what?
This part.
The
nail.
that edge part there.
Yeah.
That's the one on the
that
corner.
is huge for you here. Yeah, to remove that part. So you push it there, and then you just cut it.
It hurts.
It's not. Yeah.
Anyway,
you didn't
I'm
get
not gonna do that.
it. Sorry. Next, it's actually very funny. This one. What is this?
It's for massage.
What's that?
See?
It is for massage, but not for the back massage. It's small. It's like this.
For face.
Ah, the one that you have, yeah?
Yeah. Do I have it?
Yeah, that's right. I'm surprised. Okay. Yeah, this is the face roll.
See,
doing
for massage.
Yeah.
I'm doing it.
I think I have. Okay.
With the
I have
eyes.
Two last ones. What this for?
It's for washing dishes.
No.
It's a sponge.
It is a sponge, but
See?
not for washing dishes. I mean, it's obviously sponge.
It's hair. For the hair
Yeah.
to make it a nice, good old bun.
Yeah. Good job. Yeah, that's correct. And the last one.
It's the same.
I am pretty sure
Ah, it's different.
he will not guess.
If
If you will guess, I'll give you 3 extra points.
3 kisses.
Closer.
It's a backpack.
No, it's flat.
It's belt bag.
No, it's a flat. It's
Wait,
flat
it says.
thing.
Wait, it says there. Wash face.
It's no, but it's not for face.
Got me.
not for face.
It says wash face.
No, it's not for face. It actually says there what, but you didn't read it. That another one, so I'll just cover it up.
I wanna see.
It's not for face.
It's for feet.
No,
It's for body.
no.
It's for the face.
No.
It's a device.
You can say that.
It's a girl's device. It's a girl equipment to make girls I don't know, relax.
No.
It's a massage
No. There's something for cleaning.
for cleaning feet,
No.
for cleaning hands,
No.
cleaning hair.
No. Okay, you know what it is or not?
No.
No, okay. So this one, to clean the brushes. You know all the makeup brushes? Yes. So you just rub it all the way there and it gets clean. It says there. Express brush, clean in matte, not clean in face.
It says there, wash face.
No, this one is for
Face.
rinse face, rinse eyes.
Even eyes you can wash by.
No, this is for the face brushes. This is for the eyes brushes. Oh, you didn't get it. So how many we have? 1,
Still I got kissed.
2, 3, 4, 5 out of 7. Not bad. Okay. Girls, you can show your guys also this type of things and let me know if they guess any of those. Maybe they know all of it. Because honestly, I don't have all these things here in our house, so Daniel is not... actually, I have some, but he never notices. But most of them I don't use like on a daily basis, so he doesn't know. But overall, I'm happy that you know most of them. So you passed the exam.
Of course. Girl, I got you.
Thank you guys for watching our video.
Thank you so much.
Let us know if you want to see some more of these couple challenges and stuff like that, and we're gonna make it for you.
Give us a suggestion. What challenge do you want us to do? And don't forget to click like, subscribe, and share it to your loved ones, to your friends. And please enjoy life.
See you later.
See you. Bye-bye.
Bye.